TRX crypto holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. And this video I'm talking about the Tron TRX crypto urgent news special for holders, my friends. Just keep watch this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friends, this time the price of the Tron TRX crypto is 0.065221 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Tron TRX crypto, my friends. And furthermore, you can see if we talk about the price changes of the Tron. So now the latest last 1 hour change is okay. The TRX is negative, the last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is again negative, my friend. So one day the price of the TRX pump, second day the price again jump. So absolutely it's a complicated changes occur in the Tron TRX crypto. That is why a lot of people message me that we can't understand TRX crypto, that what's going on in the Tron, my friends. So my friends, now it is the beginning of month. That is why the price of the TRX sometime pump, sometime dump. So in these days, my friends, you have to only patience. You have to wait for the good condition of the TRX. Absolutely everything will be okay, but you have to only just wait for 1-2 days, my friends. And now, my friends, the latest changes you can see from this price chart, you can see that's clear that in the last 5-4 hours the price of TRX taken huge jump, my friends. That's a big jump. Just look here, my friends, the changes of the TRX is positive. So what you want from it? It's positive 1.23% change is positive, my friends. The price start increasing in the last 1 day, my friends. So that's a big update of the TRX, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to only wait. Be patient, my friends. Just patience. Everything will be okay, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. How do you feel today about Tron? Please also share in the comment box your opinion and subscribe channel for more updates and news videos.